Ever wondered how some people achieve that flawless, radiant skin in just minutes? We've all faced those mornings when your complexion feels lackluster, dull, dry, and not quite reflecting your vibrant spirit. It can be frustrating feeling like your skin is betraying you. But what if there was a simple, effective solution to restore your glow without breaking the bank or spending hours on complicated routines? Enter our incredible hydrating mask. With a touch of self-care magic, you can rejuvenate your skin and embrace a happy, hydrated complexion in just 10 minutes. Ready to unveil the secret to luminous skin? Let's dive in. Life gets busy, I know. Between work, family, and trying to squeeze in a little me time, it can feel like there's never enough hours in the day. Who has time for a complicated skincare routine every single day? With so many products and steps, it can be overwhelming and time-consuming. That's why I'm obsessed with our hydrating mask. It's literally a mini spa treatment in a jar, and it only takes 10 minutes. Imagine getting all the benefits of a luxurious spa session without leaving your home. Just smooth it on, relax, and let the magic happen. Whether you're reading a book, watching your favorite show, or simply closing your eyes and unwinding, those 10 minutes are all you need. This mask is like a tall drink of water for your skin. It instantly hydrates and plumps, leaving your complexion looking dewy, fresh, and oh so glowy. You'll feel like you've just stepped out of a high-end spa. Plus, it's packed with amazing ingredients that work together to fight dullness, minimize the appearance of pores, and give you that lit-from-within radiance we all crave. Think hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and other skin-loving ingredients that nourish and rejuvenate. Ready to find out what makes this mask so special? Keep reading. We'll dive into the science behind the ingredients and how they work to transform your skin. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Okay, let's talk ingredients. Because what you put on your body is just as important as what you put in it. This mask is like a delicious smoothie for your face, but instead of fruits and veggies, it's packed with skin-loving goodies like pumpkin puree, jojoba oil, and yes, even dark chocolate. Intrigued? I thought so. Pumpkin puree is a natural exfoliator that gently removes dead skin cells to reveal brighter, smoother skin underneath. Jojoba oil is a moisturizing superstar that mimics your skin's natural oils, keeping it balanced and hydrated without clogging pores. And dark chocolate? Well, it's full of antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage. Yum! Let's break down the benefits of these incredible ingredients even further, shall we? Each one of these components plays a crucial role in transforming your skin, making it look more radiant and youthful. Pumpkin is bursting with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that our bodies convert into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy skin, and it works wonders in rejuvenating your complexion. Vitamin A is amazing for promoting cell turnover and giving your skin that youthful, healthy glow. It helps to shed dead skin cells and encourages the growth of new ones, ensuring your skin remains fresh and vibrant. Plus, it helps even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Regular use can lead to a more uniform complexion, making your skin look smoother and more even. Then we have jojoba oil, a true hydration hero. This natural oil mimics the skin's own sebum, making it an excellent moisturizer that doesn't clog pores. It penetrates deep into the skin to deliver intense moisture, leaving your complexion feeling soft, supple, and oh so touchable. Jojoba oil also helps to balance oil production, making it suitable for all skin types. And let's not forget about the antioxidants in dark chocolate. These compounds are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your skin. These powerful little guys fight free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, antioxidants help to protect your skin from environmental stresses. Think of them as your secret weapon against fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Incorporating these ingredients into your skincare routine can make a significant difference, giving you a complexion that looks and feels healthier and more youthful. Your path to happy, hydrated skin. Achieving that dewy, glowing complexion you've always dreamed of is easier than you think. Ready to experience the magic of this amazing mask for yourself? This mask is designed to deeply hydrate and rejuvenate your skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and radiant. Here's how to incorporate it into your skincare routine. It's simple and can easily fit into your daily or weekly regimen. First, cleanse your face with your favorite gentle cleanser. This step is crucial as it removes any dirt, oil, and impurities, preparing your skin to absorb the mask's nourishing ingredients. Then, apply a thin, even layer of the mask to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Make sure to cover all areas evenly for the best results. Now comes the best part. Relax and let the mask work its magic for 5 to 10 minutes. This is your time to unwind and let the mask's active ingredients penetrate deeply into your skin. You can use this time to meditate, catch up on your favorite show, or just chill out and enjoy some well-deserved me time. It's a perfect opportunity to practice self-care and recharge. Once the time is up, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Hello hydration. Hello glow. Your skin will feel refreshed, revitalized, and ready to face the day with confidence. The power of synergy, where ingredients work wonders together. Here at Beauty Balance, we're all about using the best ingredients Mother Nature has to offer. But we also believe in the power of synergy. That means carefully selecting ingredients that work together in perfect harmony to deliver even more amazing results. In this mask, the pumpkin, jojoba oil, and dark chocolate don't just work individually. They work together to create a truly transformative experience for your skin. The pumpkin gently exfoliates, the jojoba oil deeply hydrates, and the dark chocolate protects and nourishes. The result? Skin that's not just hydrated, but also radiant, healthy, and glowing from within. Treat your skin. It's time to glow. So what are you waiting for? It's time to ditch the dullness and embrace your most radiant self. Head over to our website and treat yourself to our incredible hydrating mask. Your skin will thank you for it. Trust me, once you experience the magic of this 10-minute transformation, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Get ready to say hello to happy, hydrated, and glowing skin. Join the Beauty Balance family today. We're thrilled to connect with all you radiant souls out there. Share with us in the comments how you pamper your skin to achieve that stunning lit-from-within glow. Don't forget to showcase your beautiful selfies using #BeautyBalance. Share this with 3 friends who are ready to elevate their glow too. Let's shine together and spread the radiance. Good luck. Stay connected for more skincare secrets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing skincare tips and product recommendations. We're all about empowering you to look and feel your absolute best, inside and out, because true beauty comes from within. But a little glow up never hurt anybody. Until next time, stay gorgeous.